everyone, I am Enggarayo Savitri from State Polytechnic of Malang. In this video, I'm gonna explain about functional testing with Selenium using Python programming language. So, before we do the testing, we should know first about what is Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is a free open source automated testing framework used to validate web applications across different browsers and platforms. It supports different programming languages such as C#, Java, Perl, PHP, and Ruby for writing test scripts. And then Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium WebDriver is a collection of open source APIs which are used to automate the testing of a web application. It is used to automate web application testing to verify that it works as expected. It supports many browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, IE, and Safari. But in my testing, I will use Firefox. However, using the Selenium WebDriver, we can automate testing for web applications only. Reason why we choose Python programming language is because it is open source and suitable for faster development. It is easy and intuitive language and it is interpreted. We're gonna move to Python Selenium testing tutorial. Before I show you the testing, I'm gonna show you for the testing steps. First, we are gonna test the login, and then the button message, the general menu, the filter of students, grade point by semester, and then the logout testing. And this is the functional testing document. For the test input or test data, first is valid username and password. Second, click message button, and then click general menu and choose KTP and Ijazah SMU, and then choose semester drop down option and click filter, and hover the username drop down, and then click logout. And for the test output or expected outcomes is first open dashboard of user and display user's message if there's any, and then display page of identity card and high school certificates, and display students grade point that has been filtered by each semester, and for the last is display the login page. And for now, I'm gonna show you how the Selenium testing is worked. In the run menu, click the run menu and then choose run Shaka testing, or you can do it by press shift plus F10 and then wait a minute, and the Firefox web browser will automatically open, and then fill the username and password and login and do all of the testing. This testing is automatically done by the program. So, the testing with the Selenium is done. Those are all of the Selenium library that we need to import for doing this functional testing. And for the 9th and 10th line, for the 9th line is used to locate the file directory of WebDriver application. And for the 10th line, it is needed to locate the website URL that I want to test let's jump into our first testing, which is login testing. So the login testing is located on line 22 until 31. So in line 22 until 24, the code is used to get the element by name, which has name as username, and autofill the value with the valid username. Here my value is 18417200008, and then it will be pause 2 seconds, and then for 26 until 28 is the code to fill the password text box, and then for line 30 until 31 is used to submit the username and password. So in line 34 until 45, it is used to click every single button or menu that we have in the Siakat Polinema website. This is used to click button message, test button message, and then this is used to click the general menu. This is used to click KTP and ijazah SMA, and then it is used to click academic button, and then this is used to automatically click the nilai mahasiswa. And then let's jump into filter of students grade point by semester testing. In line 49 until 58, it is used to click the drop down menu with the ID THN sum, and then select the option with the value 2019-2020 genap and 2018-2019 genap, and then click submit. And now we are gonna move to our last testing, which is logout testing. First we find the element of logout drop down by CSS selector, and this is the value, and we are not click it but we hover it, and gonna pause for 3 seconds, and then after we hover the logout drop down, now it will click the logout button, which has the CSS selector value like this. So the testing is done, and after showing you all of the automation testing that has been done, now I'm gonna compare between the expected and actual result. The expected result first is open the dashboard of user, and then the actual result is same, and then the display users message page, and the actual result is also the same. Display page of identity card and high school certificates, and the actual result is same. And then display students grade point that has been filtered by each semester, and the actual result is also display students grade point that has been filtered by each semester, and then display login page, and the actual result is also display the login page. And the conclusion of all of the functionality tests is all of the functionality testings are meet the expected result.